Looking for a job update? Let us introduce you to an exciting opportunity at Siemens, known for their commitment to energy efficiency, infrastructure solutions, and industry automation. Siemens stands as a beacon of innovation and reliability. Now let's dive into the role they are hiring for. Siemens is hiring for the role of a CNC machine operator. This role is a blend of technical expertise and precision. Your key responsibilities will include setting up and operating a CNC boring machine in accordance with the process plan. You'll be organizing and using machine-related tools, processing turbine components to meet engineering specifications and quality standards. Additionally, performing basic or specifically defined maintenance operations will be part of your day-to-day tasks. Sounds interesting? Let's get into the requirements for this role. Let's dive into the requirements for this role. Siemens is looking for candidates with a full-time diploma in mechanical engineering and 2+ years of experience in machining operations. Familiarity with Siemens CNC control is preferred, particularly the Series 840D and 802D. The ideal candidate also has analytical ability, problem-solving skills, and knowledge of EHS, ISO, and 5S. The job is located in Vadodara, with a full-time schedule over 5 working days. If you meet these requirements and are interested in this role, this could be your chance to make a big career move. Ready to take the next step in your career? This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. If you meet the requirements and are interested in the role, don't hesitate. Apply today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more job updates. Stay tuned and good luck with your job search.